Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaiah, and today it is Monday. Had some Empire State Manufacturing Index that came out, and I'm not sure we're actually going to see this return right here. So for me, kind of gonna hold it together like something like this. But let me go ahead and show you what I see right here, just to give you some insight. So at this point, we've seen it might just never come back from here, if I'm just being honest. Got about 3 minutes left till open. You can see it respecting this. I'm not going to put in the sell here, but if it does retrace and we get it to finish like this and it has a small retrace, we'll enter, see if we can ride this thing down, honestly, at least to this area here. We still have a nice 1 to 3, and we'll see what price gives us at this point. So let's see if we get an opportunity to enter, and we'll just go ahead and take it from there. So let me go ahead and tell you exactly what I see. So price had been rejecting this area for some time right here. You can see clear rejections, right? But we see a higher high, higher low, well, a lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. Well, look at this is all about the same right here, right? We had a little bit of a magic of 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. Break the low, came up, retested it, boom. That's what happened on Friday, right? And it broke all of these lows here. So at this point, I am expecting a retrace. I was kind of expecting it to fall out from here, but you've seen it kind of did on Friday, but it pushed all the way through yesterday. And yeah, now we're about 15 pips from where I'd like to enter. I'd really like to see this finish like this, and hopefully we get a small retrace. But we have a breaker structure, the return to order right here. We have an ILC at the 78% discount, which is about a 5-minute. See the 5-minute ILC. See if it's a 3-minute. I can definitely see a 3-minute here. And I think we have the 1-minute, right? See here. And then we have the 1-minute right here as well. Something like that. Right? So I'm expecting we should. So we got a 5, a 3, a 1. We have the ILC inside of the ILC. We also have this area here. Even though price didn't make it up to this area, we still have this area available to take right here with the IBC. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I think the 5 minutes in it. If I'm mistaken, right on top right here. I think we should see a continuation down. Let's just see if we get a small retrace back up to go ahead and get that continuation down. So yeah, we're about 13 pips away. Not sure if it's gonna make it. Let's see. 13 pips away and about 15 seconds away from entry. Let's see what we get here. Only thing I don't like is this little area being respected, which is the 15-minute 50 EMA. Don't like that necessarily. But it's go time. You can see that push. Might have just missed it. I don't really like getting in right here because we might see that retrace, but it looks like it's out of here. Damn. US30 I like too, but I didn't want to get in right here. I wanted to wait for it to come up at least a little bit. You can see this area here where there's kind of there's it on the 5-minute. I think there's a small ILC right here. Right here, right? So we could see a retrace up to that zone, but I don't think I'd take it here at that 38%. Even though a lot of traders do like that 38% retrace, I'm not a big fan of it. So we could see it possibly move up here. Got an IBC up here that I liked, but not sure it's gonna make it. Nah, this looks like it's just gonna flow down. I'm not going to chase any trades. If it doesn't come back up, then I'm going to just step away. Should you rather make money than lose money, or not make money than lose money, right? So you can see it right here on top of this area. I think it's just going to come down though. Damn. I thought we'd see at least a little bit of a retracement, but guess not. Yeah, looks like NAS is just making small retrace right off to this level. You see something. That's a big retrace right there. Go off of it. See if it can make it up to us. It could just fall off right here, right? I put a small sell in. I don't know if it's going to make a difference, but let's see. It's just because I really don't like the small area, but probably should have went bigger actually. Yeah, I probably should have went a lot heavier. I'm only up about 7 pips right now, but kind of don't like the my entry, but I mean not my entry, my lot size. Shit, it looks like US30 is falling crazy right now. Damn. So this is probably why I put a 0.15 right here, which is $1.50 a pip, so it's not much of anything, but you can see it's rejecting this area right here. So we could see it fall off right here, but I'd really like to get a better entry right here. Let's see, blue diamonds too. There it goes. I was gonna enter another one right now and it just dropped. I might go from here. Damn, US30 is tanking right now. Might not break it, but because NAS has been playing a little bit. I haven't really liked how much it's been playing. I'm just being honest. Still not breaking it, right? So I don't like that, the way it finished right now. I don't like that at all. That's a big push up, so let's see what happens right now. See if we get an entry to hop back in up top right here. Make sure no news is coming out again. All that bitching and all that crying. Looks like it might just come up on us. You can see it here, right? I think that's the 15-minute it's still bouncing off of. 30-minute, which one is it bouncing off of? Oh, the 1 hour. You can see it's still bouncing off of this 1 hour. Alright, a minute. So let's see. Still not breaking it. So what we're getting is rejections up top and rejections down below. Now I like that we have these rejections here. It's kind of what's the only thing keeping me in the trade. But yeah, let's see what we get right here. Still not breaking though. Oops. Still not breaking it. That's crazy. Yeah. I think so, yeah. Well, I just used my toothbrush. Ew. Alright, looks like it could come down from here. See if this is the fall now, right? I got some bigger positions in here about this time around, so let's see what's what. Alright, let's see. See this go time right now. Damn, right? It's right on top of this area, so let me zoom out real quick. See where it's at right here, right? What it's respecting. I think right now I'm gonna just take some profit right now. Oh no. Um, I think I'm a little too over leveraged right now, so I think I'm gonna take. Yeah, I'm gonna take that position out right there. We're only up about 14 pips. Top position. Oh, a little bit more. So we got to remember what this is right here. It's the IOC, right? Go to the 30-minute. Let's see if it's a 30-minute. Kind of, right? Damn. Yeah, kind of. The reason I wanted to take profit right here is we know that there's a small breakage structure, right? So if we go here on this 30-minute, you see this break below here, but we also see that there's a possible, right? A lower low because it's lower than this low. Lower high because it's lower than this high. Higher low because it's higher than this high, or higher than this low. Higher high because it's higher than this one. Now we could be possibly doing a higher low again, which is very possible, right? So for me, we're in the trade here. Boom. You can see how it touches that ILC and is getting a clear rejection off of it, right? Now if we do our Fibonacci real quick, a nice little 38.2% rejection, right? So we got to be careful for this, and that's why I kind of took profit. I thought I was over leveraged, and then I also can see that it's a possible higher high and higher low and all that. So let's see if it can break through this, or it's just going to continue to respect it and push up from here. Which with the news that we had today, I think we should be okay, but I wish it was moving like US30. Shit's flying. There's it, 320 to 190, 140 pips in seconds. Well, minutes, 3 minutes to be exact. Let's see, it would have been hard for me to take the trade right here, if I'm just being honest. Because I would have needed 130 pip stop loss, personally. So, that's where you gotta kind of be careful at. Damn, no way. Right off of the ILC, double tap. I think, yeah, I'm still in profit, but not by much. That's a big push right there. A 5 minute. You can see how it's basically engulfing now. Let's see here. I think I might just take this out. Bit of a rejection. See if it could fall off again. Same thing, right? Still in profit. Yeah, it looks like it's carrying up right now for sure, because we take a look at the 15 minute. Look how the 15 minutes looking. Let me see something real quick. I mean, I think I still do kind of like it to continue down, but it might not. That's what we gotta kind of worry about. Got about, what, 30 seconds until this finishes right here. It's making its way up a little bit. And you can see they're basically doing the opposite right now. So NASDAQ is pushing up, US30 is pushing down. I don't like the way that finished, if I'm just being honest. Look at the 15 minute here. 5 minute finish, super engulfing on both. I really don't like the way that finished right there, but if it can stay under here, we're good to go. Have a great day, okay? Last day. Alright, love you more day. Don't slam it. Yep. I'm in my boxers. Seems like we're still getting some hint. I think we gotta go like this though, truthfully. I'm happy I took out that smaller position down there, but if we get some respect right here, which we are getting some respect right here, let's see how many seconds are left. Oh yeah, I like that finish. Definitely like that. Okay. It's got to finish like this though, right? So I'm in it now. I put a point 10 right here. I'm in about right here. Still doesn't have to do what we want it to do though, right? Because it's early in the 5 minute. It could just use this as support right here and push up. So let's see what's what. It's not really moving much, but I could work with it though. I like the way this finished right here. Hopefully we can see this one break through here because again, we have this like small support area right here, right? So it can still push up on us. Definitely still push up on us. So we got to be mindful of that. Damn, nose. That right there. See how this 1 minute's looking. Come on. Come on. Man, it's not breaking this little area. I think this one I'm going to pull out right now. I just don't like the way it's like respecting the zone. I think I'm going to pull it out. Let's see. Come on. Still respecting it. I'm going to just pull this shit. Alright, so I have this top position in. I pulled this one right here just because, I don't know, I see this right here. Resistance to support, and you can see it kind of using it, right, as resistance to support right here. That's exactly why I pulled it. Boom. So we needed to break through this. Needed to break through this. So this position is now officially closed. Let me put up my something like that or something. It's less than that actually. Alright. And my original stop loss just above here. Alright. Should have held it. And my next position, we got in. We're in pretty nice on this one. If you can break it. And this one I took like this. It's above here, so hopefully we can see a break right now. And I want to take this. I want it to break through here. Honestly, we got to take profit here. Shit, I think we got to take profit here, just being honest. But here's where I really want to take profit is right here. And then if we can break through this and get through this, well, first we got to get through this, and this, then this. And then if we get through this area, and I think we have a good chance to come down, just being real. So, really, I want my TP to be here at about 100 pips. We have a nice 1 to 3.6. So let's see if shit's working out for us like that. Alright, let's go. Let's go. We're only up about 30 pips. About 25 pips to be exact. So the way it's looking, I think I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move my stops to break even now. We know that this area is really well respected right here. If you want to take profit here, take it. I've already made some money, so excuse me. I'm going to keep this position in, but I'm definitely moving stops to break even. Now we are up about 34 pips, 35 pips. And we got to remember that the Empire State news was pretty terrible, right? So now that we got this low breaking this low, and it hasn't broken through it yet, right? It's got to be real with that. But it looks good to continue if it can finish real bearish right here on the 5 minute. Because we know how this 5 minute looks, right? Looks good, but it has to finish through. We don't want to see it wick back up out of here, my opinion. We could see this is now, oops. Okay, so there's the 25. If we could get this black line, you know what they call it? I think that's the ADX line. Yeah, the ADX line. If we could get that above the 20, headed to the 25, ooh, let's go. Let's fucking go. Big time. Big time, big time, big time. Alright, see. See, we got a minute and 45, so this doesn't really do shit to me because this area right here we can clearly see is a resistance to support area, right? Clearly. Boom, 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 all the way across. So for me, this doesn't mean nothing. We still got to break through this little resistance to support area, and we could hopefully get down to this zone here. And then this is where we start thinking about taking profit, in my opinion. It's right here. See the 30 minute. You can see there's a nice 30-minute ILC right here. For me personally, I think it could break through here, but we also got to know that there's, when we're looking at structure, right? Actually, this should be the right color. When we look at structure, right, a higher, I guess we could do lower low or lower high, higher low, higher high, higher than that one, higher low, right, or higher low, bounce up. So for me, you can see it's already kind of respecting the zone. It didn't break it. Let's see, man. Let's see. Hopefully, we could see it use this as resistance and come down, which would be nice. I wouldn't even want to see it come up here. Hopefully this, right? Use this area as resistance and then make its way down. I would love to see that, but it doesn't have to, right? So we gotta expect a little bit of a retrace, but hopefully not too much of a retrace. And the 5 minutes about to finish, right? So let's see how the 5 minutes gonna finish. It's pretty bearish still, and it's lower than this. I like the way it finished, but hopefully we see it come down right now. I'd hate to see this motherfucker go up. I know that for sure. You can see the ADX is slowly reaching up there. Let's go to the 15 minute. It's coming back, right? Still above the 25. The hour is where it really matters. So the hour, it's still down here. So the 4 hour, still down here. So see this 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour is pretty scary if you take a look. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high. What? See? Damn. You know, shit. I'm kind of thinking I want to pull this motherfucker. Nah, we're pretty golden right now. The hour's about to finish right now. See how the hour finishes, which is pretty bearish. Let's just see if we can stay down and push through right here, at least to this area right here. I'm gonna pull probably a majority of my profit right here at this zone, if it comes down there. Seems like we're getting a push back out. So kind of what we wanted, right? But it has to break through. Still hasn't done shit until it breaks through and creates another lower low on this 1 minute. Let me make sure NASDAQ like to see it finish real bearish through here, but it doesn't have to, right? Okay, I like that. Damn. Yeah, we got a bunch of shit coming out today. Oh no, wait, today's the 15th. I think we do though. Hold on. We actually got a shitload of shit coming out today. Yeah, we got a bunch of shit coming out today. Well, if I'm reading this right. So for me, now this area hasn't been broken. Still hasn't been broken, right? Damn, I didn't even, what an idiot. I didn't even have my stop loss below. Jack. 15 minutes about to finish. Okay, looks like we might break. Okay. Kind of want to hold on a little bit, but it doesn't have to break this, right? This is still a resistance to support area right here. And it doesn't need to break if it doesn't want to, right? We got to be mindful of that. Got a minute and 21. It could still jump up on us. Got some. We're only up 40 pips, right? So, but in the NASDAQ world, that's like 100 pips on US30. 50 pips is like 100 pips, in my opinion. So let's see. See how it's still respecting this area right here? 7 o'clock is either going to push up on us or push down. And we're about 15 pips away from where we want to be. About 10 pips away from where we want to be. 7 o'clock's about 30 seconds away. So let's be mindful of it. Still come up on us. 15 seconds left. Man, I think I should take profit. I mean, I've already taken profit. Not at this level, but I've already taken profit, so. Damn. I'd like to get to 50 pips. This is usually what happens at 7 o'clock. I think we had somebody speaking at 7 too, though, so let's see. Yeah, we do have somebody. No, it's not 14. This already happened. Coming down. Let's see this thing break below. Doesn't quite look like it. So if you guys want to take profit, take profit. Damn, I think I'm gonna. Well, you know what? I'm still not so worried about it, but the way this looks, it looks like it could kind of break through it. But you'll never know until it actually does. So see if maybe this one we could get down. I really want to take profit here though. I feel like this is the area of interest. So wait, did it touch it already? Hold up. No, it hasn't. Okay, so we know that this area is the area right here, top of the ILC, the wick. So we could clearly see that. But See it kind of making its way down a little bit since 7 a.m. started. But how far are we? We're only about 10 pips away from this. About 18, 17 pips away from where I really want to take my profit at. So see if we could get it. I'd like to see if we could tap it. Doesn't have to. You can see it's still kind of making its way up right here. Let me take a look at the 1 minute. 1 minute looks like it's coming up on us. So see if it can hold off right here. Again, make its way down. Let's see. And I'd hate for this entire thing to come up on us, but I think if it breaks above here, this little zone, I feel like if it breaks above here, then maybe we should consider taking profit, because then it can start using it as support again. And then definitely if it breaks this, then I think we're good to maybe, this ILC would be our only saving grace right here. But still looks like it's definitely coming up. And is my shit frozen? Oh. See if it can hold up again. And okay. Keep going, dog. Only bad thing is we got 30, 25 seconds left, but I'd like to see it finish through here. If it doesn't, and we get another wick out, you can see right here, rejection, rejection, resistance, rejection, support, rejection. So we want it to finish pretty damn bearish right now, if it were up to me. So we got earnings again. Like I said, today a bunch of companies are releasing their earnings for the NASDAQ. So we got to be mindful of that. And hopefully we can see this break right now. It's not engulfing, so we got to be mindful of that, but it still can make its way down. Maybe I am being stingy, waiting for fucking 13 pips or whatever it is. You can see the EMA being respected right here, the 20 EMA, 1 minute 20 EMA. So for me, I think, like I said, we just see if it gives it to us. Damn, doesn't look like it, right? Looks like it's gonna come up. As long as it's respecting this blue box right here, we're okay, but it kind of looks like it's getting that rocket pad. Rocket man. But I also see this too. I didn't turn my computer off over the weekend, so I think it's starting to feel it. So you see that? It's kind of breaking the trend line. Oh yeah, I was gonna say maybe it's supposed to be like this. But we'll see. See if it can break through it or if it's gonna keep respecting it. Because if it breaks through it here, then we're in business. But if it breaks through it up here, then it starts stacking and coming back up, right? So let's see if we can break it here. See, this is key. Nice. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. All right. I just took some profit right there, like I said I was. We're at 500 on the day, 260 floating. Now let's see if it can get through this sucker right here. So again, I took half my profit right here on this position at about 52 pips, 53 pips. So took some profit here. You can see how it's kind of respecting this order block. Doesn't have to break through here, right? It could just continue to push up from here. So we got to be mindful of that. But I'm trying to hope that we can possibly see this thing come down. You can see exactly what it's doing at this level, right? Respecting it. Let's see if, okay. Probably take some more profit if I'm just being honest. Kind of rejected it already. I don't really like taking profit right where it took profit. I want to wait a little bit more. But it did respect it, right? Actually, 15 minute. You can see the 15 minutes right here, right where it touched 61%, right? Okay. All right, I'm gonna take some right about now. Fuck it. So now I just have a runner that put me at 700 for the day. It's a good way to start the week. Got $130 floating right now, and yeah, let's see how far we can take this thing. Shit, it's still going. Let's go. Big time shit right here. Big time shit right here. I remember the ultimate area where I'd like to take it is about right here. So we can still see that happen. And you can see the ADX is starting to flow up. Let's go. Nice little rejection at the order block. See if this thing can continue down. So it respected it, right? So we could see this thing push up from here, which is a very strong possibility. We got to be mindful of that. But hopefully we can see it break this low. And I think if it breaks this low, then we're in business for sure. For price, once it breaks this low, then I know for sure we got a better chance of it breaking. Sorry guys, computer's acting up right now. 1, 2, get out. So all in all, it's still respecting this. I'm not gonna put a buy in. I'd hate to put a buy in right here, and then I mean we can make money, but I pull my profit right here, so maybe I should just get. You know what? I'm gonna move my stop loss down. I had it about 3 pips in the profit. Now I'm gonna do it about 8 pips in the profit. So I can definitely still push up on us, but I like where we're at. If you guys want to pull profit, pull profit. I just have my runner in there now. Alright. Damn. This shit is all crusty. Hold on, let me clean my camera. I actually need to get a new case. That's probably why it looks. I ain't gotta have that shit. Look how busted my shit is. You can see it. Gotta take this off though. And actually, no way. Not paying attention. Look at that. Split my whole shit. Stupid mother sucker. Damn. Son of a bitch. That's a lot of blood. Hold up. Are we still dropping? We are dropping a little bit still. Not quite, but we are still getting bearish, which is good. Let's see if the 5 minute can finish that way. I'd like to see the 5 minute finish down here, right? Still 2 minutes left. But if I'm just being honest, the way it kind of looks is, yeah, it might finish a little bullish. Hopefully still under here, and we can finish down to our TP. So off of this trade, I think I made $100 yesterday. Well, carrying over from Friday, I had a US30 sell, and then I just had my TPs pretty low, or pretty high, so I just got in and got out basically. So as soon as I was able to put my TPs in, I just pulled it. You see it right there, dog, kind of moving back up. So it actually really respected this ILC, right? It didn't break the low here. If I would have taken this buy, I would have taken something like this. I had to restart my computer after this. My buy would have went something like this. I would have had my stop loss probably up there. And I would have taken this thing about here. That's the move that probably most people are going to be looking for. Buyers. Doesn't have to happen, right? So delete that. I realized we had all that on there. You see how it still respected the green line right here, the hour. So that's good. You see it's still kind of doing that. So I think we still need to see a breakthrough here. As of this isn't so great. I mean, it's a rejection, which is good, but 5 minutes just finished. Let's see what it finished like. Right, one of those little bull ones, but still under here. So hopefully we can see this one continue down. Hopefully. Doesn't have to though, right? Because what did it respect? Boom. Right. So again, I pulled most of my profit. I just have a runner in here. So fucked up my thumb. Yeah, this shit ain't even. I need a knife or something. See how it's kind of coming up? Okay, looks like I still can make it down. And my daughter's gonna be late already. You know what, guys? I think I'm gonna get off. Gotta get my daughter right. She's been late fucking way too many times this year, so damn fucking shoulders. Ugh. All right, so we profited. We made some money today. Hopefully, you guys were able to make something with me. Shit. Is there even anybody on here? Oh, we do got people on here. You guys able to make some money with me? Oh wait, how did I get a negative viewer? What does that mean? Somebody didn't like my shit? Oh, that's funny. Well, I guess that person didn't make money. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get off now. I closed my biggest position at right here at 309. So it's at 309. I closed my biggest position here, and that was about, what is that? 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69. So 64 pips. I closed my largest pip position, and at about 53 pips, I closed $5 a pip. So, well, you guys could go ahead and check it out here. If you guys could see that. So, not too shabby, not too bad. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close this now. Made some money. Still respecting this area, so be careful. I have my runner in here. Moved my stops about 8 pips or something. 10 pips in the profit or something like that. So I'm expecting price to continue down, but it doesn't have to, right? We're in this order block. Blow past all this. I don't expect it to, but it can do it. So we just gotta be mindful of it. Me personally, I'm gonna put this here. Because what I want to know is if it breaks this. Alright. Got alert. Boom. Oh shit, I need to buy this. I'm a cheap fuck though. I don't want to buy it if it's not on sale, you know? Alright, let's delete this. Oh, delete. Remove. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Oh, maybe it's breaking up. All I want to know though is if it breaks below. Actually, I don't want to know that. I want to know if it breaks. I want to know if it breaks this area. Because if it breaks this area, then we know there's a chance that it's coming up. And, appreciate you guys for hopping in with me. Thank you. Damn, it might break. It might break. So like I said, I still have my runner in here, and I still want to take it down to this area. But my biggest position I said was 73 pips, which is pretty damn good. Yeah, that's the trade right there. I like it. What is the risk to reward on it? 22. All right, y'all. 22. I gotta get my kids up. Town, but thank you guys for tuning in with me today. You guys have yourselves a good one.